Hey clients, I'm Arlene Orteza, property specialist of Urban Deck Homes Ortigas under Shore Homes Realty Inc. Now, i-discuss ko sa inyo all about Urban Deck Homes Ortigas. We have available ready for occupancy unit, 2 bedroom, 30.60, and 35.57 square meter. But as of now, we have promo on Pag-ibig for 10K cash out only, no down payment, direct to Pag-ibig financing. So, 10,000 lang yung kailangan yung ilabas, then complete requirements. Process natin yung loan nyo through Pag-ibig. And then, waiting lang tayo for approval ni Pag-ibig. Once approved na ni Pag-ibig, pwede na po tayong lumipat. And then, your monthly amortization will start 30 days after your approval date. So, ano pang hinihintay yung mga looking for investment or titirhan dyan, come and process natin yan. Tulungan ko kayo. So, let's go guys!